Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check for updates in Microsoft Windows Defender on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search magnifying glass down on your system taskbar. You want to go search for Windows Security. Best result should come back with Windows Security. Go ahead and open that up. Select Virus and Threat Protection on the left side. And then on the right side, scroll down underneath Virus and Threat Protection. It should say Security Intelligence if it's up to date, as well as the last update. You can select Protection Updates right here, and you can select Check for Updates. And should say it's up to date, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.